Welcome to Ripcaster. My name's John Nelson, and we're a hi-fi dealer based between Reading and Oxford in the UK. Today, I'm delighted that we've received Linn's latest flagship speaker, the 360. It arrives to us in 5 boxes, the 2 speakers, the 2 basses, and the accessory pack. Join us today whilst we set these up in our showroom. But before I get started, I need some refreshment. We'll just get the iron brew going, give us the energy to do the install. Okay. Okay, so this is where we're going to set them up. We've got our Linn Klimax DSM, Linn LP12 ready to go, and we'll set them up here and here. So the first thing we're going to do is take the banding off. I'm going to cut this like so. Take my trolley away and take the lid off here. The packaging is held in with various clips, so we'll take those out. And if I just lift this up slightly, like so, we can see the speaker and the protective foam for the drive units. Package on one side. It comes in with 2 bags. Just lift this off. Base of the unit. And what we need to do now before we do anything else is put the base on the unit. So I'll go and get one of the bases and we'll fit that to the bottom of the unit. And one of the bases. Okay, so in the accessory pack we have a couple of mains leads. We've got some protectors to go over the data cables, the exact link cables, and we have an accessory pack. And in the accessory pack, got a safety information in here, some gloves, spanner, a cloth for polishing with, and a tool for removing a grill. And then in the second layer, we've got the spikes, the locking nuts, the bolts for holding the bases to the bottom of the speakers, and the suspension system that holds the modules on the back of the unit. Okay, so we will fit the base to the speaker. So we'll put the accessories over there. We're helped by Charlie here today, who's inspecting everything, just making sure everything is in order. All good, Charlie? Perfect. So we've got the accessory pack here. We've got the base here. We'll just open up the base box, have a look what's in here. It comes well packed. These are quite heavy, 20 kilograms. That brings the combined weight of the stand and the speaker to about 80 kilograms. And the stand is held in by 4 set screws, and it also has the suspension components for the module on the back of the speaker. So the first thing that we do from our accessory pack is fit the 2 suspension nuts. These bushes are flexible and will allow the whole spine to be acoustically isolated from the rest of the speaker. Currently these are held in place with transit screws. When the speaker's fully assembled and the right way up, we'll take those transit screws out. So next we get the base. Like so. Avoiding touching the diffuser window. And I position that over the suspension and onto the speaker like that. And now we're going to put 4 set screws in here to secure it on the speaker. So I'll get the 4 set screws from the accessory pack, put those in here. Each one's got a washer and a set screw. And just give that a little shimmy, and then we'll tighten that up with a bit like doing a cylinder head up. Get them in the right location before we nip them home. Whoops. Okay, so those are nice and tight now. So at this point, we've got the base secure on here. We'll leave this packaging on here. I'm going to just slightly rotate the speaker around. I'm going to use this piece of packaging here. So I'm going to gently allow this to come down, like so. Rest on that bit of packaging, and I'll take the end cap off. And I should be able to stand the speaker up like so. Okay, so that's a first look at the speaker. These are in a Linn Heritage finish. It's actually a very dark blue, metallic blue. Might look black on the actual video, I'm not sure, but depending on the lighting in the room, you get a very subtle, very classy blue finish. These trims are available in anodized black or in silver. So we've gone for a kind of stealthy look here with black trims. So what's left to do now is we need to fit the spikes and feet, and we need to take out the transit screws from the rear of the speaker. I'm going to move it into position before we do that. And I'm going to put the bag back on to do that. Charlie, everything in order? Good? Okay, so we've nearly got it in position now. So I'm going to take the packaging off. I'm going to fit the feet. So each one's got a spike and a locking nut, and these go in the base of the speaker like so. So that's the spike in, and then when we've adjusted the height, etc., we lock it down. 4 of them on each speaker, and we'll do that when we've leveled it up. There's also a piece of packaging here that we remove, which just protects the top of the cabinet. Okay, some more spikes. Last one. So at this point, the speaker is more or less ready to go. We just need to take these 4 locking nuts off the back. At the moment, the spine is firm, but if we take these 4 locking nuts out, it will then be suspended and acoustically isolated from the rest of the chassis. Just take the set screws out. So that's all the set screws out, and now this moves relatively freely. So it's approximately in its right position. 1 speaker done, 1 to go. More iron brew required. All right, so one speaker down. I'll just have a quick refuel with the Scottish Magic Potion, and we will get speaker number 2 underway. Okay, so that was a quick unboxing and setting up of Linn's latest 360 loudspeaker. Next, we just need to add power and the exact link cable into the back, level up the basses, position them in the room, and then we can start listening to music. Hope you enjoyed that quick unboxing and setup of Linn's latest flagship loudspeaker, the 360. I warmly welcome you to come and visit Ripcaster so you can see and hear this fabulous speaker for yourself. Thanks for watching.